8A, coverage you can count on in high definition. This is KOMU 8 News at noon.
Boonville police want help from Boone County to train canine officers. Good afternoon, I'm Angie Bailey. The Boone County Commission approved the partnership this morning. Boonville will pay the Sheriff's Department to prepare dogs for work in the police field. KOMU 8's Haley Buck department to tell us how this new program is going to help out police. Haley?
The Sheriff's Department will host canine officers from Boonville to help them save time and money. I spoke with Boonville Police Chief Bobby Welver, and he says the training program will to have a training program nearby will help the department from having to travel for training. Having a closer training facility will also help daily operations. The canines will still be usable to both the Sheriff's Department and Boonville Police Department if necessary. The agreement will help the Sheriff's Department to raise money to expand their canine program also. Boone County is thinking about expanding the training officers to other departments in mid-Missouri.
A lot of times this happens when one governmental entity has some expertise, they share it with another, so you don't recreate the wheel, so that you utilize resources in a very responsible way.
The Sheriff's Department Captain Gary German told me that training will focus on narcotics and training. Reporting live from Columbia, Haley Buck, KOMU 8 News.